Hi friends, this is Prema from DSS once again welcoming you for this talk on breathe. Breathe right. How many of us breathe right? The basic breathing. We don't know the worth of breathing until a person suffers for breath. We never consciously or awarefully we never breathe. It happens automatically. The time we are born with the in breath. That's all. We just forget. It happens automatically. But you are using only a very lesser percentage of your lungs for breathing, where your capacity is more if you consciously breathe and breathe right. We see most of the people don't breathe right. The basic breathing, I'm not talking about any pranayamas or any breathing techniques. The breath, the breathe, the normal breath what we take. When we actually breathe in, our stomach should bloat, and when we breathe out, exhale, our stomach should sink in. This is the right kind of breathing, but most of the people do vice versa. So you need to observe how you are breathing. First you start observing your breath. How when you take the breath, inhale or exhale, how it is. Start observing. Sit in a quiet corner. Relax. Say relax, relax 3 times, and then sit quietly for few minutes and start observing your breath. Breath is the life's driving force. We come into life with the in breath and go out with the out breath. But in between the breath what we take, if we consciously and awarefully understand that if we are breathing right, most of the things in life would be easy. We would escape from lot of illnesses, and you can manifest your desires. You can release your pains. It is you, when you breathe right, your thoughts are clear. You have clarity of thoughts. You are not in a mess. So when we breathe right, our clarity of thoughts, our thought is right. There comes the manifestation. That is why our ancestors, or even today in temples or when we do puja, our older people say just do the Nadi Shuddhi before taking the Sankalpa. Why? Do the breathing, and then whatever prayer you offer to the God or whatever you wish for will come true. That is how you communicate through breath. So breath we take it very easy. But when we do it with awareness, consciously, we start practicing, and that too, especially when in the early morning, Brahmi Muhurtam, you sit in a quiet corner and breathe at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Do the breathing, normal breathing. Life will actually automatically change. Life will happen itself. Whatever you want to wish for the good, that is the time you get the full benefit. The oxygen in the air is also to the maximum early in the morning. So if you want all your desires to manifest, first breathe right. Breathe properly. Time we would not have been aware, but this is the time for us to be aware and start breathing. There are many kinds of breathings. We learn in yoga, like in pranayama we have different kinds of breathing. That and all we will talk later. But now let us get the basic breathing right. Every day, if you can allot a time for 10 or 15 minutes and start breathing, slowly you yourself will come into the next advanced level of breathings, wherein you inhale, hold, exhale, hold, all those things. Like in yoga we say antar kumbhaka, bahir kumbhaka, and all those things. So that is all later, but now what we need is breathe right, consciously breathe properly to improve your lung capacity. Just the normal breathing, inhale exhale, if you get that also right, but with your spine, neck and head erect, straight in the straight line. That is where when the breath actually travels without any obstruction. Take control of your mind rather than the mind controlling you. And when you desire with your breath, you manifest for the good. Even the universe hears to you. So breathe right. Life unfolds perfectly. We all will breathe right. Breathe properly. With this note, I take leave from you. We will talk more about the breath and the techniques of pranayama in the future videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye. This is Prema signing off from Digital Spiritual Space.